So this is our Sunbeam Cream SPF 50 and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Now the secret with SPF is you want to apply it liberally in order to get maximum protection. And I find the best way to do it is with my 11 dot technique, which is just as simple as it sounds, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So you want to start with 3 dots on your forehead, 1 on your nose, 1 on your chin, 2 on either cheek, and then 1 on either side of your neck. Now I tend to start massaging it in from the centre, but you can start anywhere you want and just use gentle circular motions. Now this is a broad spectrum SPF, which means it protects against UVA and UVB radiation or aging and burning. Actually 90% of skin aging is caused by the sun, so it's essential that you apply this every single day, come rain or shine. And you want to protect delicate areas too, such as your eyes, so just gently pat it over your lids to keep that delicate skin protected too. Now this formula is super lightweight, non-greasy, and it blends effortlessly into all skin tones too. It also makes the perfect base for makeup. So once you've got it all massaged in, you just need to give it 5 minutes to let it settle into place, and then you can go on top with foundation, powders or concealer, and it'll stay perfectly in place all day long. This is totally fragrance free and suitable for all skin types.